Hello everyone, Sam is here. Welcome to my weekly recaps video. You already know about my TCM model. If you don't know, then I will suggest you to watch my recent video about my TCM model. But here I will describe about my TCM model in a short. First, you have to determine the session bias. We'll trade basically on a New York session. So our New York session bias will be based on Asia or a London session. If New York session sweeps Asia or London's high, then our New York session bias will be sell. If New York session sweeps Asia or London's sessions low, then our New York session bias will be buy. Then you have to wait to tap into a key level, which is on H1. I basically use two types of key level, which is only FBG and swing high and swing low point. For swing high and swing low point, you can add fractals indicator on trading view. Later, you have to wait for sweeping any previous 90-minute cycles. If you don't know about 90-minute cycle, let me show you. For London, you have this 90-minute cycle. For New York morning, you have these 90-minute cycles. We have no worries about New York afternoon because we won't trade on New York afternoon. Focus on New York morning only. Take screenshots of this and add 90-minute cycles indicator on trading view and add this time. Then we have to entry on M1 inversion during macro time frames. For macro time frames, we'll trade on New York morning. So this is your macro timing. Take screenshots and make notes. We have to, our entry must be occurred or placed during these time frames. Sorry, time periods. Let's go to the chart directly. So this is Monday, 14th July. This is our Asia session, 8 p.m. to 8 p.m. to 12 a.m. London, 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. New York will be open. If New York sweeps London high, then our New York sessions bias will be sell. That's it. Here you can see 8 a.m. sweeps London high and also tap into key level, which is this fractal high. Now go to the 1 minute. We haven't swept previous 90-minute cycle. Let's wait. Price sweeps already. Now I have to wait to close inside my 90-minute cycle range. Maybe there was also a key level. Yes, this FBG. Also tapped into this FBG. Already 943. We can see price already swept previous 90-minute cycle range. Basically all of the 90-minute cycle range. This one 4 a.m. to 5:30, 5:30 to 7, 7:30 to 8:30. I have only liquidity rest below this London session. So this already becomes low probability because already swept previous 90-minute cycles. So let's wait for another sweeping. 10 a.m. Price also swept previous 90-minute cycle. Now wait. This FBG already got filled. So this FBG is not valid for me. Only here I can see these factors higher my key level. This is far away from current price action. Let's see what price do. Already 11:20 a.m. So I'm out for Monday. I'll wait for next day. 2 a.m. 6 a.m. Let's go to the 1H. So this is my London session. This is my Asia session. Here already I can see 8 a.m. sweeps London high and also Asia high. So our bias becomes sell for New York session. But we have no key level. This key level already swept so many times, so this key level swing high point is not valid for me. Now here we can see too many FBGs. So these are my FBGs on 1H. Price also swept London's low, so my bias becomes now buy. I go to the lower time frame for an entry. Let me mark. This is my London high. Go to the 1 minute. Price stepped into key level at 940, 945. Let me see what price did. Price again tapped into key level and also made a stop hunt. And a new 90-minute cycle open, also sweeps previous 90-minute cycle. Now let me wait. Yeah, there is a tiny inversion on M1. There is tiny inversion. And also closed inside the 90-minute cycle range. But the problem is only here, London session high. Because based on previous session of bias, our present bias depends on. So our London is very near. If I place a trade here, SL must be the recent lows, and our TP can be this 90-minute cycle high, but only because of this London session high, I'm worried about to place a trade, because price can sweep the London high again and can become sell again. So I'm not interested to this trade. Skip that. London swept. And made an immediate rejection from London high. Price again sweeps this low and also on key level. This is my London high. I am on 10:56 a.m. Here you can see price made a tiny inversion here. If you are struggling, then I will suggest to add an IFBG indicator to detect this kind of tiny inversion. What the hell? Not showing. One minute. Yes, 1 minute IFBG already created, but the problem is where is our previous 90-minute cycle range. Ugly. Okay. Always 90-minute cycle is here. So price already made an inversion. We can enter here, but we haven't met another condition, which is closed inside previous any 90-minute cycles. Let's wait for this. Yes, price closed here inside this previous 90-minute cycle range and also made an inversion. So we will place immediate trade SL just below TP. TP can be placed on this 90-minute cycle high, but because of this London's high, price may tapped here and may reverse. So our initial target should be London high first, and it's already providing 2 RI and entry on 11.7, which is inside our macro time. Let's see. Maybe we are on B. Nope, maybe. Yes, price hits 2 RR and also tap into London to high and immediately rejection. So that was the trade for 15 July, 2 RR. Now go to the next day. Six AM, 10 minutes. Let's go to the 1H. So this was my Asian session. This was my London session. Let's mark the key level. This was my fractal. And FBGs. So there was a FBG also there, but 6 AM already filled the FBG. That means this FBG is not valid for me. Only valid key level is this swing high point and these FBGs. So what price did? On 8 AM, price sweeps the London and both Asian high. So our New York sessions bias become sell. Now go to the 1 minute for entry. $8.30 sweeps, made an inversion but not closed inside any 90-minute cycle. This was my 90-minute cycles high. Price closed on 9:34 AM. But what price did? Price already took 2 minute 90-minute cycles low. So I'm not interested to place any trade during this macro. Let's wait. Is my this FBG field? This FBG already filled, so there is no valid key level for me. Here we have a London session low, and this is also a key level here, fractal low. If price sweeps this low, then I will go for buy. Let's see. Okay, price sweeps the low, fractal low, and also sweeps London low. That means our bias become buy. Let's go to the 5 minute to see if price closed inside any 90-minute cycle or not. Okay, here you can see price sweeps this London low on 11:20, which is outside our macro time. So today we have no valid trade. Let's go to the next day. 2 a.m. 5 a.m. This is my London low. Here we have also FBG. That means this is also key level. And this swing high point is also a key level. Let's see. It's not swept the London low yet. 6 a.m. Yes, 7:45 a.m. Sorry, 7 a.m. Price sweeps the London low. That means our bias become buy and also tap into the key level. That means our step 2 done. Now wait for more confirmation. Here was my key level. What was my 90-minute cycles low? We can treat these London sessions low as my 90-minute cycles low. Here you can see on 7 a.m. price sweeps the London low and also tap into key level. Failed to meet inversion. 1, 2. There was 2 inversion and rejection from here. Then again 7:30. There made an FBG, failed to inverse this, and again price made a stop hunt here. And also made a inversion here. But the next condition, which was closed inside any 90-minute cycle, that was, yes, that was my last 90-minute cycles low. And here we can see price closed above this 90-minute cycle range. So we can place immediate trade here as just below of this, or you can place a limit order on this inversion. But if you don't want to miss any trade, then you can immediately place your trade when closed inside or made any inversion. So we placed our trade here, which is on our 7:57 on our macro timing. Is our TP. TP can be our on this 90-minute cycle high or this 90-minute cycle high, as London session has a great liquidity. So we'll place our TP on London side. Break even, as I'm targeting the London side, so our break even will be on this point, this 50% level of London session. Let's see. I made a mistake here. SL should be this low here. I don't know why I placed here. SL should be the recent low. We are now break even. And we hit our final target, which is 4.94 RR. That means basically 5 RR. Now price sweeps London low, sorry, London high, and also there was a key level, which is our fractal high. That means for now my bias becomes sell. Let's go to the lower time frame. 9:01 a.m. Yes, price made an inversion here and also closed inside my previous 90-minute cycle. So let's place that trade. SL above the recent highs and give some space for spreads. This is a 50% level, break-even level, or we can place our TP. We can place our TP to our London low or any kind of 90-minute cycles low. Let's target for London low. Break-even is here. We are on break-even. So here you can see price aggressively moved down and hit our final target, which is our London session low. So here you can see price again swept the London low. Let me first price swept the London low, then our bias become buy. Again price sweeps the London high, then our bias becomes sell. Now price again sweep the London low. That doesn't mean we will go for again buy, because we already swept both London's high and low. So we shouldn't place any trade after sweeping both high and low. This is extremely risky. But you can take chance, but this is totally low probability, because both buy side and sell side liquidity are taken. Now we don't know how our price will go. So there was a 5 error, 4.53 error. That means 9.5 plus 2, 11 error. Now let's go to the today's price action. Two AM. Here is my buy side key level, and here is my FBG. Price already filled this FBG. That means our valid FBG will be from here. Oh, there is also an FBG, but price already filled. That means this is not valid key level. And let's do it. Price sweeps the London low and also Asia low. That means our bias become buy, but no key level. Let's do it. Up. Price stepped into this FBG. Now let's go to the lower time frame. Where is my 90-minute cycle range? That is my lowest 90-minute cycle range. If price closed above this, then we will interrupt. 10.55. We are out of our session time, so no entry. So that was this weekly recaps. We have three trades. First one, 2 error. Next one maybe 5 error. And next one was 4.5 error. That means almost 11.5 error. So this is basically time cycle based model based on ICT. This model works everywhere, especially on not specially, this works on every pair. You can trade on either Nasdaq, either on EURUSD, either on gold, everywhere, because this is nothing new. This is already a ICT based model, so you can apply this model everywhere, but I will recommend on Nasdaq and especially on New York sessions only. This model has high win rate. You can backtest this model. So that's it. Thank you. Thanks for your time and thanks for watching my videos. Goodbye.